Would you like this to check out on Temu? Then have a take a look this video first. This is my Meteor Galaxy Projector 5th generation. In this video I will be doing an unboxing, showing you the real image of every disc film, and demonstrating the functions of the remote control. This Meteor Galaxy Projector model XKM003 supports 5 volts and 2 ampere travel adapter. So aside from 13 disc film projections, adding to its features are the Bluetooth music functionality, white noise sounds, and the RGB ambient light. At the end of this video, I will be playing the white noise sounds. Please do stay till the end of this video. When you open the box, there are tips on how to properly put the disc film into the disc tray, and are reminders about the do's and don't of this device. Inside the box is this microfiber cleaning cloth, the user manual with different language translation, the Type-C power cable, which it is great, and this 2 boxes with 12 disc film. On the box it was written the proper way on how to put the disc film into the disc tray, and later I will be showing the real image in each disc film. Be aware that this disc films are consumable, which means in a long run of usage, the image will fade. As the instruction says that always interchange the disc film so it will prolong the life of the disc. And this bar spacer, or I may say, stand support. This accessories allows for adjusting the projection angle by replacing different spacers or inserting spacers into different socket positions. The longer spacer can adjust the angle to vertical upward position. And this remote control button, at the end of this video, I will be demonstrating the functions of each buttons. And by the way, it is powered by 2 pieces of AAA batteries. And this Meteor Galaxy Projector white color, which is made of plastic. Well, the device is really a premium made in terms of build quality. So let's see if those disc films, when it is projected, is really worth buying for. The front-facing view are the buttons, the power button, timer, rotation speed, and the ambient light effects, and then the film disc tray compartment. The power on off and Meteor on off. Do long press to power on or off the device, and short press to switch on or off Meteor effects. When the Meteor is activated, the Meteor indicator is light up. Timer button. Setting the device automatic power off, do short press to set the timer for automatic shutdown. You have choices, either 1 hour usage or 2 hours usage. But if you don't want set within that hour, the default standby time is 4 hours, then it will automatically turn off. Rotation speed button. Do short press to do cycle speed settings. The light indicator show the current speed settings. If the light is in the S negative means it is slow, and if in S positive means it is fast, but if the light indicator is not present, means rotation effects is off. Ambient light effects. The default light is rainbow effect. Do short press to switch ambient light effects in sequence. Do long press to adjust ambient light brightness. First long press is to increase brightness. Second long press is to decrease brightness. And the spacers sockets, so you can interchange which spacer you want to use depending upon your needs. At the back are the Type-C power port, supports 5 volts and 2 amperes, and then the speaker, so this ambient light can be seen on both sides. This is manufactured in China, and as Temu application, I guess majority of their items comes from China. And this adjusted focus knob, this is where you can adjust the clarity of the picture when it is projected. As I said earlier, it's 13 disc film, which is only 12 disc film inside of the two boxes. Well, the extra is already inside the compartment tray. And this is the disc film looks like. And how this image being projected. Take a look at this. As you notice, it rotates, but in a slower motion. In placing the disc into the tray, you can see the word up and then do clockwise till it fits the lock part. And if you wrongly put the disc film, the disc tray will be blocked and cannot be put inside the compartment. The protruding device on the lens part of the main unit is the focus adjustment knob. By rotating it back and forth, the projection clarify and can be adjusted. To get the best projection effects, it is recommended to use in a dark environment, especially in a whitewashed wall within 2 meters for the best clarity and reality. So these are the disc film looks like when it is projected. The Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, and the only astronomical object known to harbor life. Approximately 71% of Earth's surface is covered by oceans, which greatly surpasses its polar ice, lakes, and rivers in size. The remaining 29% consists of land masses, including continents and islands. The solar system. Solar system is a gravitationally bound system consisting of the Sun and its orbiting celestial bodies. It originated approximately 4.6 billion years ago through the gravitational collapse of a massive interstellar molecular cloud. All 8 planets have nearly circular orbits that lie close to Earth orbital plane called the ecliptic. The dinosaur. Dinosaur are a diverse group of reptiles, the clade Dinosauria. They first appeared during the Triassic period, between 243 and 233.23 million years ago. Although the exact origin and timing of the evolution of dinosaurs is a subject of active research. The Christmas. Christmas is an annual festival commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ. It was observed primarily on December 25th. Santa Claus is a legendary figure originating in Western Christian culture, who is said to bring gifts during the late evening and overnight hours of Christmas Eve. The sea. The sea is commonly refers to the ocean, which covers approximately 71% of the Earth's surface. The ocean are home to a diverse collection of life forms that use it as a habitat. The jellyfish is one of them. They are mainly free-swimming marine animal with umbrella-shaped bells and trailing tentacles. The universe is all of space and time and their content. It comprises all form, from subatomic particles to entire galactic filaments. It is so mysterious and curious that we have been exploring the universe. The Helix Nebula is a planetary nebula located in the constellation Aquarius. This object is one of the closest of all the bright planetary nebulae to Earth. The distance, measured by the Gaia mission, is 655 plus 13 light-years. The Helix Nebula has sometimes been referred to as the Eye of God in pop culture, as well as the Eye of Sauron. The pillars of creation depict elephant trunks composed of interstellar gas and dust within the Eagle Nebula captured by Hubble Space Telescope. These structures derive their name from their role in star formation processes, while simultaneously being eroded by nearby recently formed stars' light. Valentine's Day is celebrated annually on February 14th as couples express their love for each other through gestures such as presenting flowers, offering confectionery treats, and exchanging greeting cards. Common symbols associated with Valentine's Day including heart-shaped outlines, doves, and winged Cupid figures. The planets. All planets orbit along their own paths, maintaining subtle balance. In this system, each celestial body has its specific role and responsibility, jointly maintaining the stability and prosperity of the solar system. The solar system is the home of humanity. It is the starting point of exploring the universe and understanding life. The black hole. A black hole refers to an area in space-time where gravity is incredibly strong, preventing anything including light or other electromagnetic waves from escaping beyond its event horizon. According to general relativity theory, a sufficiently compact mass can cause space-time deformation leading to black hole formation. The four seasons. The abundance of spring, the prosperity of summer, the abundance of autumn, the tranquility and beauty of winter, and the cycle of four seasons are the manifestation of natural laws, the rhythm of life on the earth, and the witness of the changes of time. The alternations of the four seasons is a microcosm of life. Every season has its unique beauty and value. And these are the remote control function description. Power button. Do long press to power on or turning off the device. And by doing short press, you are turning off or turning on the meteor effect. If you notice the image that is being projected, you will see a light like shooting stars. That effect can be off or on. Varicolored light effects or ambient light effects switch button. Do short press to switch varicolored light effects sequence. Night light button. By doing short press, you may switch to night light or warm white night light. And do long press, you are adjusting the color temperature between cool and warm. Brightness button. Do short press, you are adjusting the light brightness level. And do long press, you are switching to stepless dimming mode. Ambient light power button. Do short press to turn on or off the ambient light effects. The Bluetooth and white noise button. Do short press to switch between white noise playback mode and Bluetooth playback mode. And long press to disconnect the currently connected device. And these are the white noise sounds.
maximize.
Projection power button. Do short press to turn on or off the projection light and meteor effect. The time button sets the device's timer shutdown. Short press to switch timer settings in sequence. The cycle sequence is 1 hour timer automatic shutdown, 2 hours automatic shutdown, and cancel timer shutdown, which automatically enters the default 4 hours automatic shutdown state. You will see in the device itself, if you press 1H, means 1 hour the light indicator will be in that position, and then if you press 2H, which means 2 hours the light indicator will be there. But if you wanted 4 hours usage, then the light is no longer available, which means it is set after 4 hours the device will turn off. And that's it. If you reached till this video watching, then thank you so much. Please do like and subscribe, as well as your comment is highly welcome.